how to change team playstyle in eFootball mobile. In order to change a team playstyle in eFootball mobile, once you launch eFootball, just go to my team and go to this option called game plan right here. From game plan, currently you can see my playstyle is set to quick counter because the manager I'm using is good at quick counter and has good rating for quick counter. So if I tap on my manager from the top left, you can see he has a rating for 89 on quick counter and out wide also 89. But you can see position game he lacks, long ball counter he lacks, long ball and overload also, which is a new playstyle. But we can change the team playstyle regardless by selecting this option right here that says team playstyle in this case, and we can choose any of the other team playstyle that we want. You can tap this I button on the right hand side to understand what each of these possession means and what each of these playstyle means as well. And once you select that, you can tap on them and you can see we've successfully changed our team playstyle. That's all it takes to change a team playstyle. Thanks for watching and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.